Hello, konnichiwa. I'm Kuniko Yamamoto. I was born and raised in Osaka, Japan, and now I live in Florida. Looking up in the sky, Florida has a big sky, especially when it's a full moon. When you see the full moon, what do you see? Cheese? Japanese see bunnies, maybe mom and kids pounding mochi. I have a square kami paper, type of origami paper. One side is color and the other side is white and color. Here's the first step. I will do the white side up and fold it to triangle. So the color is outside. That means I'm gonna make a pink bunny instead of white bunny. From the top, the two bottoms corner will be folded to the top of the triangle. One at a time. You will match this diagonal line with the bottom diagonal line. Same way on the opposite side. As a result, you have the center line like a double door. Please notice it is not overlapped like that, and it's not too much apart. It matches like a door at the center. And from here, to make it easy, I'm gonna do this upside down. Rotate, because I like to make it into a kite shape or ice cream cone look. So the bottom of this diamond square is like a wing. And from the bottom, this diagonal line will be folded right on top of the center vertical crease. And opposite side. There are layers on the folded edge, so make a sharp crease. How? Put your weight on your thumb and nail and slide all the way. From here, open one door. Let's say this is the ice cream on top and the cone on the bottom, and half of the cone is open, and inside there's a pocket. It's like a pocket 1, pocket 2, pocket 3. Let's do this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. Grab 2 layers right here and grab another 2 layer on the opposite side, and that is exactly where you open this pocket. So I have 2 layers right here, and I have another 2 layers on the opposite side, and in the middle 2 and 2. You slide your finger all the way to the top. So my finger top is right inside on the top. And spread the wrinkles and squash to make a triangle. And the creasing line right here is matching with the folded edge. Exactly the same thing on the opposite side. Open halfway and count the layer 1, 2, 3, 4, and find 2 layers on this side and then 2 layers on the opposite side, and then that's where you put your fingers inside and slide all the way up, and my finger is all the way up. I can't go any farther, and squash and match the creasing line to the bottom folded edge. Pick the origami up and you will make the center vertical crease like a mountain, sticking out towards you, and make it flat. So please notice that what I have right here is from this shape, folded, and this is the longest in the center, and 2 diagonal lines and another diagonal lines, and here's a triangle, and the bottom like a ice cream cone again. And on the bottom of the ice cream with a cone, here's my cone part, it's only one. It's not the two layers, 2 pieces. It's just one, like a one arm going up and down, there's nothing on the opposite side right here. And grab that one hand, one wing, and lift up, and notice this is very free hand. It has a good freedom to move up, down, we are going to swivel from here. Grab again and bring it up, and you are flipping. Let me show you again. Almost like a sweeping with this line. Just imagine you are sweeping the desk with this line, and when you go up more farther, this has to be standing up like that, and it has to flip and make it flat. I'll do it again on the other side. So turn it over, pick up the one hand like a one wing, and sweep the paper, sweep the bottom all the way to the side, and now it's standing like that, and keep pushing, keep going, and the side has to flip. You can't keep this way all the way. At one point, about 90-degree angle, you have to flip to the other side and make it flat. These are 2 ears right here of the bunny. Turn it to this way so that it looks like a boat. Let's find the orientation. Here's the longest line right here. Or it could be the longest line right here. I can't tell, can you? And these 2 ears gonna be on top. I like you to know 2 points. Here's one point right here. Here's a 1 point, and here's another point right here. Here's a B, no. Here's a L. So those 2 points I like you to know, and grab just one ear of the bunny and fold this edge, the edge of the ear to this black dot. So the lines start from this black dot bottom and fold this edge, the edge of the bunny's ear, to this black spot. As a result, the shape becomes like that. And the creasing line is right here. Let's do it same way on the back side. It's gonna be opposite, so it's a little tricky. Let's do this together because this part, for some reason, really tricks me. But here, that's this bunny's top edge gonna go. And let's focus on the bottom of right here. That's the black dot on the bottom. And another one is right here. So you can see. And this edge will start be folded from the bottom of the black dot, and that edge will go down, touch down on the black dot right here. As a result, left, right, both bunny's ear is folded the same way. From here, this is a way, here's a bunny and head and tail. Let's do, no, of course, this is the ears. Let's do the tail first. The tail goes up. This is a free form, but I like this way. So be my guest to change it if you wanna change certain way. So I fold the little tail first up and unfold, then open the bottom of the tail and flip the shape. To do this part, I have to show you a very abstract line right here. That's where you fold. Here's the ear, right? And then just a little, maybe quarter-inch above is a little spot. And from the corner, it's about half-inch or quarter-inch off. That's where it is. And just imagine you are creasing that line. And inside, emphasize that crease. You can see this part is right here. And do the opposite side. Is right here. And how do you know where that is? Is that the opposite side is the same. I might have made a head too big, but I think it's okay. And that's a bunny. From here, you can make several things. The first I want to do is this got the pointy nose. You can make it round nose if you like. And make the ear more three-dimensional shape by opening that ear. And opposite side. And that is your bunny.